everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, you are welcome. I welcome you with peace, love and joy to this amazing channel. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use this expression multi to make a full fringe wig. So if you want to know how I will be able to achieve this result, watch till the end of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel, turn on your bell notification so you always be notified each time I post videos like this. So to make a full fringe wig with this expression multi, you will be needing some things. Number one thing you need is expression multi, which is this one I'm holding right now. Number two thing is your scissors, crochetpin, wig cap. This is the wig cap. This is the wig cap. So you'll be needing all of this to achieve this result. So watch to the end of this video and tell me what you think about this video. Give it a thumbs up, share my videos. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I do videos on so many things on this channel. Yeah, I cook on this channel. I do so many things. So you watch so that you wouldn't miss out with any of my video. Thank you so much. Subscribe guys. Thank you so much as you do so. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. This brings us to the end of this video. If you love my work, you love what I do on this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on your bell notification so you will not miss out with videos like this and so many others. Thank you so much, guys. God bless you as you do so. Bye for now till I see you in my next video. Bye bye.